Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Total War Warhammer 3 game for free on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to the store and in search the store search for Total War Warhammer 3 and then click on this Total War Warhammer 3 game. Scroll down and here you can say Play Total War Warhammer 3, play for free until 25th of May. So click on this play game button and here you will see Total War Warhammer 3 and the file size is 84.31 GB. So click on install. Now read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept. Now go to the library tab and here you can see that Total War Warhammer 3 game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope you can also download and install Total War Warhammer 3 for free on PC until 25th of May 2026. So that's all for this video.